questions tonight about what exactly happened in the moments before a Norfolk police officer pulled out his gun and shot a woman. She ended up getting charged and went to court today. But it's what came out in court that caught our attention. 10 on your side's Jason Marks is in the newsroom with this story. Jason?
Anita, this is the case of a woman named Jasmine Gillespie. For months, she's been arguing that police used excessive force when an officer opened fire on her at an apartment complex last summer. Today, her attorney revealed information that he says makes her case. Jasmine Gillespie admitted in court today she pleaded guilty to assault and battery and DUI for her role in an altercation at a party at a Norfolk apartment complex in August.
This is a resolution that should have been there months ago.
When police arrived at Breezy Point Apartments on Glen Myrtle Avenue that summer morning, officers said she hit a woman with her car and then tried to hit an officer. That's when the officer says he shot her. But listen to what her attorney revealed tonight.
All charges with respect to that officer were ultimately dropped. It just makes you wonder about that officer's actions that night.
Gillespie was shot once in the side. The bullet ended up in her bladder. She needed 44 stitches to close up the wound. Gillespie is a Texas native and is active duty Navy with no criminal history. She pleaded guilty today to trying to hit the woman with her car. Prosecutors said she had a blood alcohol limit of more than 2 times the legal limit.
What she pled guilty to today was a fairly routine DUI, and that's how this should have been treated from the outset. The officer, for whatever reason, did not see it that way.
The Norfolk Commonwealth's attorney has an ongoing legal review looking at the facts, and different legal standards are applied.
If they come back and they say that officer was justified,
I will have serious issue with that. And I tell you what, we're doing our own investigation and we're handling that independent of what the city is doing. And so
we asked Norfolk Police if they feel as if the officer should have handled things differently. We got a 2-line email back saying because of pending litigation, there'll be no more comment at this time. We asked to talk to Gillespie. We wanted her to speak for herself, but because of potential legal action against the city, her attorney said no way. Gillespie's out of jail tonight because of time already served. Now she's on her way back to report to the Navy. In the newsroom, Jason Marks, 10 on your side.